Times Glamour, a high-end jewelry exhibition presents The Style Walk.
No one is born glamorous. Glamour comes from what we do. Hello and welcome to the 15th edition of Style Walk 2016, an initiative by ABEC Exhibition and Conferences Private Limited. और आज हम ये proudly कह सकते हैं that this is the largest and the oldest jewelry exhibition.
Glamour has its own following, it has the own charm.
Glamour is one kind of a show where it's only exclusive for jewelry.
15 years for Glamour. First, heartiest congratulations to them.
Every year they are making a new milestone for themselves.
Those who have the wedding in their family, they wait for this show, they come here.
I think this is the biggest and the best jewelry exhibition.
Times Glamour is the only show which one's supposed to visit.
क्योंकि टाइम्स ग्लैमर है इंडियाज प्रीमियर एक्सपोजिशन ऑफ फाइन ज्वेलरी, सिर्फ यहीं आपको देखने को मिलेगा हाई एंड ज्वेलरी एग्जीबिशन एंड वी आर कंप्लीटली श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी अमेज्ड एट द काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरी व्हिच इज शोकेस्ड हियर.
My name is Sagarika Chetri and I'm your host for the evening. Times Glamour, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most creative platforms for all jewelry designers and manufacturers in India. Style Walk this year has associated with Smile Foundation, and this event is also a fundraising activity. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the woman behind today's show, the one and only Balbir Gandhi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for making it to the Style Walk at Glamour 2016.
Thank you very much for your kind words. Presenting Sophia Premji, MD of Lord Shoes.
At the outset, I'd just like to say a very, very big thank you to each and every one of you for being here this evening. It's a pleasure to partner with Balbir in hosting this evening for you all. So with deepest appreciation, I welcome you all and wish you a great evening ahead. Thank you.
I would now like to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest, married to the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis. Amrita is the First Lady of Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Amrita Fadnavis with a huge round of applause.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, a very glittering good evening to all of you. I thank organizers, especially Balbir Gandhi, for inviting me for the expo. And I would just say, go out and buy the best piece which you feel like. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I would now like to request our chief guest, Amrita Fadnavis, to hand over the check to Smile Foundation. And to do the honors, I'd also like to request Balbir ma'am and Sophia ma'am to please come on stage. Thank you, Anuradha ma'am. Requesting you to remain on stage for lighting of lamp. And to join us on stage, may I please invite Sumit Gandhi, CMD, ABEC Exhibitions and Conferences Private Limited, with Mr. Manish Gandhi, COO and Executive Director, ABEC Exhibitions and Conferences Private Limited. I'd also like to invite Shaina NC and Kareem Premji on stage. Thank you for doing the honors.
So let's kickstart this dazzling evening with the Walk of Fame, showcasing some exquisite jewelry designs by Birdhi Chand Ghanshyam Das.
I'm Yash Agarwal from Birdhi Chand Ghanshyam Das. We do bridal jewelry, mainly Jadao. And this year we have launched a new collection called Ada. This year has been really great. People are getting married. Even in January, they were waiting for the show, and it's been an amazing show.
Let's proceed to the next event for the evening, the Style Walk. ये bridal themed exposition showcase करेगा the best and the must-have designer jewelry pieces according to all the ceremonies in a wedding. तो शुरू करते हैं Hen's Party के साथ with a collection of unique jewelry showcased by Cappuccino Collections.
Hands up in the sky if your girl is looking fly. If she don't, just tell her bye. Don't care if you make her cry.
This is not the first time I'm associating with Times Glamour. This is my 7th continuous year. I'm always happy and satisfied.
Throw your hands up in the sky if your girl is looking fly. If she don't, just tell her bye. Don't care if you make her cry. Oh yeah.
Those who have the wedding in their family, they wait for this show, they come here. So this is how we target the whole Bombay, you can say. So if they like my product, we do the business.
Throw your hands up in the sky if your girl is looking fly. If she don't, just tell her bye. Don't care if you make her cry.
Well, it's time for a very short break, but you all stay tuned because we have a lot of interesting stuff on the other side.
Times Glamour, a high-end jewelry exhibition presents the Style Walk.
Welcome back back to the 15th edition of the Times Glamour Style Walk 2016, an initiative by ABEC Exhibition and Conferences Private Limited, India's premier exposition of fine jewellery.
We've been associated with Glamour for a long time. This is definitely the best platform you can have if you want to kind of give an exposure to your brand. Technically, I am definitely one of the best in this country. My jewelry is very light, wearable, and we don't compromise in the design just to make it light. We first take the design and then make it light, so it's wearable and it's affordable.
And now the Mehendi celebration. Brand Jewel Ravi lekar aaye hain a collection of ethnic jewelry pieces to complement the bride's beautiful mehendi.
Hi, I'm Ravi Induja from Jewel Ravi, and we are a jewelry brand since the last 20 years.
We are into diamond jewelry, beaten gold concepts, lot of detachable concepts. So basically something that you can wear and flaunt more often.
Glamour has really helped us because we have a boutique store and we don't have walk-ins. The clients have been very loyal and they really love our designs, and we get very good business from here.
अब शादी का माहौल है तो संगीत सेरेमनी भी होगी ना? So let's check out some elite jewelry designs by a brand which is synonym to perfection, TBZ. Exquisite fashion jewelry का सिलसिला कंटिन्यू करते हुए here's presenting a rare collection from Shobha Shingar.
We've always been associated with glamour. Year after year, we do a lot of ethnic kind of jewelry with polki and real pearl. This is the right place for designer boutiques like us.
Our next collection is all about the brides. Here's presenting Walchand Sons' rich collection exclusively for the brides.
This is our third year with Times Glamour. It's been fantastic here.
It inspires Xavier to actually make exclusive piece for the brides. We specialize in bridal jewelry in all the three, gold, diamonds and uncut. We don't repeat our designs, so it's one of its kind.
The shopping happens, the buying happens, the after sales happens. It's always been good to get associated with Glamour.
Well, some drool-worthy stuff here, isn't it? अब शादी के बाद बारी है रिसेप्शन की, and we have Rare Heritage presenting the royal collection of jewelry designed especially for the occasion of wedding reception.
Years for Glamour. First, heartiest congratulations to them. Is the beginning of the season and the warmth is also great. And I think nothing more that we can ask for.
We basically got a segment for the reception category in the entire sidewalk.
We are known to have the versatility in terms of any rare pieces. So that's how the brand name is Rare Heritage.
Glittering jewelry, contemporary fashion, lots of drama, and of course, your favorite stars. Surely this evening had it all. With this, we come to an end of the 15th edition of the Times Glamour Style Walk 2016, an initiative of ABEC Exhibition and Conferences Private Limited. So until we meet next time, stay in fashion and keep watching Zoom Turn On.
Times Glamour, a high-end jewelry exhibition presents The Style Walk.